Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the starter on an Infiniti G35. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a ratchet, a set of 10mm, 12mm, 13mm, and 14mm sockets and wrenches. Safety is paramount, so begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal, typically a 10mm or 13mm nut. Then, safely raise your vehicle using a jack and secure it firmly on jack stands. With the vehicle safely elevated, you can now access the starter. It is typically located on the passenger side, where the engine meets the transmission. You may need to remove some underbody splash shields to gain clear access. Next, locate the small electrical connector on the starter solenoid and carefully pinch its tab to disconnect it. Then, use a 12 or 13mm wrench to unbolt the main power cable. Now, it's time to remove the old starter. There are two 14mm mounting bolts that secure it to the transmission bell housing. One might also hold a bracket. Once these are removed, carefully wiggle the old starter out of its confined space, often between the lower control arm and inner fender. With the old unit out, position your new starter into the same spot, ensuring it aligns correctly with the bolt holes. To complete the installation, tighten the two 14mm mounting bolts to a torque of 35 foot-pounds. Next, reconnect the main power cable, securing its 12 or 13mm nut to between 5 and 8 foot-pounds, and then reattach the small electrical connector. Reinstall any underbody panels you removed. Finally, reconnect your negative battery terminal and test your Infiniti G35 to ensure the new starter is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.